So this is our activity 5, the students dashboard, student admin dashboard um, using Laravel. So this is a list of students and let's edit and add student. So this is the Laravel code. This is the student controller. This this code is use this to show the UI, and also this the UI of create students, and this way this code happens storing the data in the database. So this code is for edit the data, and destroy is for delete the data. So this is the student model. And also student migration, create student, also the seeder, student seeder, and layouts. This is the master layouts. So this is the main dashboard. So it has a button, nav bar, student records, home, and add students. So this is the files, our view, and this is the route, and that's it. That's our activity 5 using Laravel.